Beer Champ Barbecues. Today we're doing up drunken clams and mussels. Oh hell yeah. We're gonna do it on the Weber 22 drunken clams. Oh hell yeah. So you're gonna mince up some garlic, fresh garlic, stick of butter into a pot, a stock pot. Get that hot, not too hot. You don't want to burn it. And about a half a red onion. You're gonna dice that up as well. Get that going, and then you're gonna put in whatever clams, shellfish that you want, and pour in a couple beers, whatever beer that you like. I got this Italian Perrioni, whatever. I don't know. I had a couple floating around. Put that in there, steam them up. Once your shellfish pop open, dump that all out. Oh, sweet goodness. Throw in some limes, lemons, whatever you want, and get to dunking. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
This one goes out to Tommy from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Oh hell yeah. Slice up some limes. Oh. And yes, there's a proper way of slicing citrus. Not that way. This way. These drunken clams were inspired by Tommy from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Thank you, brother. I've never had them. These were great. Awesome. And every time I've ever done clams before up here in upstate New York, just put them on the grill when they pop open. You take them out, put them in butter, eat them up. That's good too. But this was rocking. Oh hell yeah. If you guys ain't checked out Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, make sure you do. Link, actually I'll leave a card.
I said give me a hell yeah!